Welcome to Helical Insight tutorial. In this video, we will see how to create a metadata. We have two methods of creating a metadata. One is, once the data source is created, then on the View tab, you can see the listings of the data source for that specific database. We can click on Create Metadata icon, and we will get navigated to Create Metadata Page. And the other method is, we can click on the Metadata tab, then it will navigate to Metadata Page. Now, we are on the Metadata page. Here, on the left side of the page, we can see all the listings of the data source, created, and shared with us. Navigate to the required data source, and click on it. Here we can see the list of catalogs and schemas present. Select the required schema. Now you can click on the catalog, and see the list of tables present in that catalog. Double-clicking on the table will also display the list of columns present in that table. There is a search option available, which also supports wild character. Clicking on this three dots, it allows us certain additional functionalities like to refresh the connection, and edit the data source. By default, all the tables and associated columns are selected. Right-click, and press Reset. Then select the tables and columns we are interested to keep in the metadata. Once the selections are made, we can either drag into the second selection interface, or right-click, and use the option Add to Metadata. The selected tables and columns will appear. Once the selections are made, then we can right-click in the second column, and perform certain operations, like alias, where we can rename the tables and columns. Then duplicate operation allows us to make a duplicate of table of column. And remove operation, this allows us to remove any table or column from the metadata. We can also change the metadata file name by double-clicking on the metadata file. Metadata file is also having a search operation, which allows us to search of any table or column. We have an info icon, which allows us to change the metadata data source connection details. Next, joins icon, all the joins present in the database will be seen, based upon the primary key and foreign key, defined at database level. Clicking on the View icon allows us to write custom SQL queries. Security Features icon allows us to apply security at tabular, columnar or data level against any user, role, profile, or an organization. Now, to save the metadata, click on Save button. Note that users can skip all these steps and directly save the metadata after the step of selecting columns. To edit the metadata, click on the Edit option and navigate to the required metadata. From there we can edit the metadata. Thank you for watching this video.